The Monarch Butterfly. Nature's flapping piece of paper. Royal. Regal. Really pretty. It spends its time spreading its wings, and giving flowers the business. Once its throat is full of the flower's nectar, it's on to the next one. Naughty girl. On the surface, these commonly seen animals may appear cute and cuddly, but beneath hides a dark truth. They live a life of addiction. When eaten, the buds of the Cypress carnivorous produces a euphoric high, one unmatched by common drugs. The effects are short, but powerful. And the come down is excruciating. Once hooked, they'll stop at nothing to get their fix. Even if it costs them their life. The American honeybee. A species on the verge of extinction. Unable to survive the polluted world of mankind, these animals have been forced out of their homes and soon will have nowhere left to turn. Your children will likely grow up in a world without honey, and we only have ourselves to blame. But there is hope. If you see a honeybee, give it a smile and let it know that we care and that it needs to keep making honey for us all to enjoy. Please consider donating to the Save the Honeybee Foundation. Every dollar counts. Lenny the Lizard. A unique and bubbly fellow. His cold blood will surely warm your heart, and his charisma will warm your mother's underbreeches. His diet consists of bugs and lady lizard parts. Stay cool, you magnificent bastard. The common pigeon, aka the poopin' pigeon. A bird so full of poo that its entire life revolves around it. Just look at this thing. It's practically overflowing. It's a common misconception that pigeons go coo, coo. It's actually saying, who can I poop on today? You. It could be you. Now let's watch. I didn't get it. Sorry, that's a letdown. I should have got it. Should have waited. Why didn't I wait? I needed that